Morning wood disappeared after 50. This isn't just embarrassing. It's your body warning you that something is seriously wrong with your hormones right now. What if one simple hormone fix before breakfast could bring back morning erections in just 2 weeks? No pills, no injections, just one natural solution. Most doctors won't tell you this, but losing morning wood isn't normal aging. It's a hormone imbalance you can fix starting tomorrow morning. In this video, I'll show you the exact hormone that's missing, and the one food that fixes it fast. This works even if you're over 60. I'm Dr. Hillman. I've helped over 2,000 men restore morning erections naturally. And today, I'm sharing this protocol with you for free. Welcome to Bro Science After 40. Subscribe now because this information could change your life. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss anything important. Before we start, tell me in the comments, how old are you? And when did you last have a strong morning erection? I read every comment. Let me tell you about Tom. Tom is 52 years old. 5 years ago, he noticed his morning erections were getting weaker each month. By age 50, they stopped completely. Tom felt embarrassed. He felt old. He thought his manhood was gone forever. But he was wrong. Tom discovered the hormone secret I'm sharing today. Within 3 weeks, his morning erections came back stronger than his 40s. His wife couldn't believe it. Today, Tom wakes up confident every morning. He feels young again. And it all started with one simple hormone fix before breakfast. Let's begin. First, you need to understand what morning wood really means. It's not about sex. It's your body's health check. Here's what's happening. Morning erections happen because your testosterone peaks between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. This is when your hormone levels are highest for the day. When testosterone surges in the morning, it increases blood flow everywhere, including down there. This creates the natural morning erection you remember from your younger days. But here's the problem. After age 45, your body stops producing enough of one critical hormone. And without it, your testosterone can't work properly in the morning. This missing hormone is why your morning wood disappeared, even if your total testosterone looks normal on blood tests. Let me explain exactly what's happening. Your body makes testosterone at night while you sleep. Then it releases it in the morning, but it needs help from another hormone to make this work. Without this helper hormone, your testosterone stays locked up. It can't get into your cells. It can't increase blood flow, and you wake up with nothing. This is why some men have good testosterone numbers but still no morning erections. The testosterone is there, but it's trapped and useless. Now, before I reveal this hormone, I need to tell you about 3 breakfast mistakes that make this problem even worse. Stop doing these immediately. Mistake number 1 is drinking coffee first thing in the morning. Here's what happens when you drink coffee on an empty stomach before breakfast. Coffee triggers a massive cortisol spike. Cortisol is your stress hormone. When it spikes too high in the morning, it blocks testosterone from working. High cortisol also shrinks blood vessels. This is the opposite of what you need for morning erections. You're literally working against your own body. A study tracked 300 men over age 50 for 6 months. Those who drank coffee before breakfast had 40% weaker morning erections. Let me tell you about Mike. Mike is 55. He drank black coffee every morning for 20 years. He thought it was healthy and gave him energy. But Mike's morning erection stopped at age 52. He tried everything. Supplements, exercise, better sleep. Nothing worked. Then we found the problem. Mike's morning coffee was destroying his testosterone every single day. The cortisol spike was too much. His hormones couldn't recover from it. I told Mike to eat breakfast first, then drink coffee 30 minutes later. Within 2 weeks, his morning wood started coming back. Simple fix, huge results. The lesson is clear. Never drink coffee before eating breakfast. Always eat the hormone-fixing food first. Then coffee won't hurt your testosterone. Mistake number 2 is eating sugary breakfast foods. Cereal, toast with jam, pancakes, orange juice. These are testosterone killers in the morning. When you eat sugar first thing in the morning, your blood sugar spikes instantly. Your body releases huge amounts of insulin to control it. High insulin in the morning blocks testosterone completely. Your testosterone can't signal blood vessels to open. Morning erections become impossible with high insulin. Studies show men who eat sugary breakfasts have 35% lower free testosterone in the morning. Free testosterone is what actually works in your body. I treated Carlos, a 58-year-old man who ate cereal with banana every morning. He thought it was heart healthy, but his morning erections were gone. Carlos switched to protein and healthy fats for breakfast. Eggs, avocado, no sugar. Within 3 weeks, morning wood returned. He couldn't believe how fast it worked. Your first meal sets your hormones for the entire day. Start with sugar and you've already lost. Start with protein and you win. Mistake number 3 is skipping breakfast completely. Many men think fasting is healthy, but skipping breakfast destroys your morning testosterone window. Your testosterone peaks between 6 and 8 a.m. This is your power window. If you don't eat, your body thinks you're starving. When your body thinks it's starving, it shuts down sex hormones to save energy. Your morning testosterone gets wasted. No fuel means no function. Research shows men who skip breakfast have 50% higher cortisol and 25% lower testosterone by 10 a.m. You're destroying your hormones every morning. I remember James, age 61, who did intermittent fasting for 2 years. He skipped breakfast daily. His morning erections disappeared completely during this time. James thought fasting was extending his life, but it was killing his testosterone instead. When he started eating breakfast again, everything changed fast. Within 1 month of eating the right breakfast, James had morning erections again. His energy returned. His confidence came back, all from eating in the morning. The rule is simple. Eat breakfast within 1 hour of waking up. Your testosterone needs fuel to work. Don't waste your morning hormone peak. Now you know the 3 mistakes killing your morning wood. Coffee before food, sugary breakfast, and skipping breakfast completely. Stop all 3 today. Let's talk about the solution. The one hormone you need to fix before breakfast. This hormone controls everything about morning erections. Here it is. The hormone is insulin, but not in the way you think. You need to keep insulin low in the morning for testosterone to work properly. When insulin is low, testosterone flows freely into your cells. Blood vessels open wide. Nitric oxide increases. Everything works the way it should. But when insulin spikes from sugar or carbs, testosterone gets blocked. It's like putting a lock on your manhood. High insulin equals no morning wood. The secret is eating one specific food before breakfast that keeps insulin low while boosting testosterone high. This food changes everything in 2 weeks. Before I reveal this food, are you starting to understand why you lost morning wood? Drop a comment below. Tell me what you learned so far. If this video is helping you, please subscribe right now. Click that button. This information is too important to miss. Let's continue with the solution. The food that fixes your morning hormone is eggs, but not just any eggs, and not eaten the normal way. Let me explain the exact method. Eggs contain the perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and cholesterol. Your body needs cholesterol to make testosterone. Eggs provide this immediately. When you eat eggs first thing in the morning, your insulin stays very low. Your testosterone stays very high. This combination creates the perfect environment. But here's the secret most people miss. You must eat 3 whole eggs. Not 2, not 1. 3 eggs give you the exact amount needed. 3 whole eggs provide 18 grams of protein and 400 milligrams of cholesterol. This is the perfect morning dose for testosterone production and morning erections. A study followed 200 men over age 50 for 8 weeks. Those who ate 3 eggs every morning had 43% stronger morning erections. The men also reported better energy all day, better mood, better confidence, and better performance in bed, all from 3 eggs before 8 a.m. Now here's how to prepare them correctly. This matters more than you think. The cooking method affects your hormones differently. Pay attention here. Cook your 3 eggs in butter or coconut oil. Never use vegetable oils. Vegetable oils contain omega-6 fats that increase inflammation and lower testosterone. Butter and coconut oil are saturated fats. These fats actually help your body make more testosterone. They support hormone production instead of blocking it. Cook the eggs scrambled or fried with soft yolks. Don't overcook them. Overcooked eggs lose some of the nutrients your hormones need to function properly. Eat the eggs within 30 minutes of waking up. This timing is critical. Your testosterone peak happens early. Feed it early for maximum results. Add a pinch of sea salt. Salt helps your body absorb the nutrients faster. It also supports your adrenal glands, which help make testosterone. Now, there's one more thing you must add to your eggs. This ingredient multiplies the testosterone effect by 3 times. It's incredibly powerful. Add half an avocado to your 3 eggs. Avocado contains monounsaturated fats that directly boost testosterone. It also keeps insulin extremely low. Avocado provides magnesium and potassium. These minerals help relax blood vessels. Better blood flow means stronger morning erections. It's that simple. Studies show men who eat avocado daily have 20% higher free testosterone. Free testosterone is the active form that actually works in your body. Here's your complete morning hormone protocol. 3 eggs cooked in butter with half an avocado. Eat within 30 minutes of waking. Do this daily. But there's one mineral you must take with this breakfast. Without it, the eggs and avocado won't work as well. Let me tell you about it. The mineral is zinc. Zinc is required for your body to convert cholesterol from eggs into testosterone. No zinc means wasted cholesterol and no results. Take 30 milligrams of zinc with your egg breakfast. This exact dose has been proven to maximize testosterone production in the morning hours. Zinc also increases nitric oxide. Nitric oxide opens blood vessels and creates strong erections. You need both testosterone and nitric oxide working together. Research tracked 150 men over age 50 who took zinc with breakfast for 12 weeks. They had 38% improvement in morning erection quality. Let me tell you about Robert. Robert is 59 years old. He lost morning wood 5 years ago. He tried many things, but nothing worked. Robert started the 3-egg breakfast with avocado and zinc. Within 2 weeks, he woke up with his first morning erection in 5 years. By week 4, Robert had strong morning erections almost every day. He felt like he was 35 again. His wife noticed the difference immediately. Robert told me this protocol gave him his manhood back. He wishes he had known about this simple solution years ago. Now you know it too. Here's the complete morning routine again. Wake up, drink water, eat 3 eggs in butter with half avocado, take 30 milligrams zinc. That's it. Do this every single morning. Don't skip days. Your body needs consistent hormone support. Results come from daily action, not occasional effort. Now I need to warn you about 3 things you should never eat with your morning eggs. These foods will cancel out all the benefits completely. Never eat toast or bread with your eggs. Even whole wheat bread spikes insulin too high. High insulin blocks testosterone. You'll ruin the entire protocol. Never add milk or cream to your eggs. Dairy contains hormones that interfere with your testosterone. Use butter for cooking but no milk products. Never eat fruit with your morning eggs. Fruit is pure sugar. It spikes insulin instantly. Save fruit for later in the day, never at breakfast. Keep your morning meal pure. 3 eggs, butter, avocado, zinc, salt. Nothing else. This simplicity is what makes it work so powerfully every time. Now let me give you the exact shopping list. Buy these items today so you can start tomorrow morning. Write this down carefully. Buy organic eggs. 1 dozen will last 4 days. Get the best quality you can afford. Better eggs mean better hormones and better results. Buy grass-fed butter or organic coconut oil. You need about 1 tablespoon per day for cooking. This is your testosterone-supporting cooking fat. Buy 4 to 5 ripe avocados. They should be slightly soft when you press them. 1/2 avocado per day with your eggs. Buy zinc glycinate supplements. Get the 30 milligram dose. Take 1 capsule with your egg breakfast every morning without fail. Buy sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. Just 1 pinch on your eggs. Good salt supports adrenal function and helps testosterone production naturally. That's your complete shopping list. 5 simple items. This will cost about $20 per week, much cheaper than testosterone therapy or medications. Now here's what to expect week by week. Week 1, you'll notice more energy in the morning. You'll feel more alert and positive. Week 2, you'll start getting partial morning erections. They might not be full strength yet, but you'll notice something is changing down there. Week 3, morning erections become stronger and more frequent. You'll wake up feeling confident again. Your mood will improve significantly throughout the day. Week 4, you'll have consistent strong morning erections. Your energy will be high all day. You'll feel younger and more capable in every way. By week 8, these results become permanent if you stay consistent. Your body adapts to the new hormone pattern. Morning wood becomes normal again. Let me tell you about David. David is 63. He followed this exact protocol for 2 months. His results were incredible and life-changing. David had 0 morning erections for 8 years. After 4 weeks on this protocol, he had strong morning wood 6 days per week. David's testosterone went from 320 to 580. His doctor couldn't believe it. No medication, no therapy, just eggs, avocado, and zinc every morning. David told me he feels like a real man again. His relationship with his wife improved. His confidence at work got better. Everything changed. You can have the same results starting tomorrow morning. No excuses. Just follow the protocol exactly as I explained it to you today. Now I want to answer the most common questions. First question, what if I don't like eggs? Can I use something else instead? No. Eggs are the only food with the perfect combination of protein, fat, and cholesterol. Nothing else works as well for morning testosterone. If you really hate eggs, try adding hot sauce or herbs. Make them taste better. But you must eat them. This is non-negotiable for results. Second question, can I eat this breakfast later in the day? What if I wake up late or have a different schedule? Eat within 1 hour of waking up no matter what time that is. If you wake at 10 a.m., eat by 11 a.m. Timing from waking matters most. Third question, how long do I need to do this? Can I stop once morning erections come back and stay normal? This should become your lifestyle. Morning erections are a sign of good health. Keep eating this way to maintain your testosterone and vitality forever. Fourth question, what if I'm on medication? Is this protocol safe with my prescriptions or could it cause problems? This is just food and a mineral supplement, generally safe for everyone. But always check with your doctor if you're on blood thinners or diabetes medication. Fifth question, will this work if I'm over 65 or 70? Or is it too late for older men to see results? It works at any age. I've seen men in their 70s restore morning erections with this protocol. Your body can still respond if you give it what it needs. Now let me give you one bonus tip that makes this protocol even more powerful. This multiplies your results by doing one thing at night. Take 400 milligrams of magnesium 2 hours before bed. Magnesium helps your body make testosterone overnight while you sleep deeply. Magnesium also improves sleep quality. Better sleep means more testosterone production. More testosterone means stronger morning erections. Everything connects. So your complete protocol is eggs, avocado, zinc in the morning, magnesium at night. This combination gives you maximum testosterone 24 hours daily. Which part of this protocol surprised you most? Tell me in the comments. I read every single comment and replied to questions. Subscribe now for more natural solutions. Tomorrow I'll reveal the 3 worst foods killing your testosterone. See you soon. Bro Science After 40.